Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video, I will talk about Polygon price prediction and Polygon news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polygon in 2022. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is the first well-structured and easy-to-use Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development platform. Its core component is the Polygon SDK, a flexible modular framework that supports the creation of multiple types of applications. Using Polygon, you can create optimistic rollup chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, or any other framework that developers may need. Polygon effectively turns Ethereum into a complete multi-chain system, i.e., the Internet of Blockchains. This multi-chain system is similar to Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and others, but with all the benefits of Ethereum: security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is a Layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. The project aims to stimulate the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by solving scalability issues on many blockchains. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. MATIC, Chainlink, SAN price analysis, 27 February. Will the fear sentiment fail to improve over the last 24 hours? MATIC hovered near its point of control and saw a clash between its buyers and sellers around the $1.5 zone. On the contrary, Chainlink and SAN saw pattern breakouts, but still struggled to topple their immediate resistances to claim a healthy rally. From its ath on 27 December at $2.92, MATIC fell to witness a 54.24% decline and hit its 3-month low on 24 January. But the bulls quickly stepped in at the $1.3 mark as it saw a 58.6% ROI until 10 February. However, since then, the bears took over while bulls failed to defend the vital point of control, POC, red, in the $1.5 zone. This zone also coincided with the 61.8% Fibonacci support. As the $1.3 support stood sturdy, MATIC found an oscillation range between $1.3 and $1.5. The bulls need to increase their thrust to breach the POC and reclaim the golden support level. At press time, MATIC was trading at $1.487. The RSI steeply surged from the oversold region. Any recovery from here would find a ceiling at 54 for testing. Furthermore, the CMF displayed a bullish bias as it looked north. Even so, the ATX was on a downtrend and affirmed a weak directional trend. Chainlink, Link, the selling pressure heightened after the up channel, white, breakdown after the bears took over and pierced through crucial price points. As a result, Link plunged to hit its 14-month low on 24 February. However, the bulls finally showed up at the $11.7 mark as the alt recorded over 23.08% gains in the last 3 days. Thus, the altcoin managed to find a close above its 20 EMA, red, and endeavored to overturn the 50 EMA, sign. At press time, Link traded at $14.32. After testing the midline support 2 times in the last 3 days, the RSI revealed a bullish edge. Any close below the white trendline would affirm the existence of a hidden bearish divergence. The sandbox, SAND, the previous uptrend saw exceptional gains as the altcoin poked the $4.8 resistance and tested the 3-week trendline support, yellow, dashed. As the bears started to gain momentum, they breached this support and flipped it to resistance. Meanwhile, SAND noted a 45.7% decline as it touched its January lows on 24 February. After its recent gains, it did break out of the channel, but saw a strong rejection of higher prices at the $3.19 level. At press time, SAND traded at $3. RSI's recent revival managed to cross the midline, but it was soon to fall towards the 35 mark. Also, the DMI flashed a bearish advantage, Wolfscout, but the project's co-founder Sandeep Nailwal declined to share specific details. The current price of MATIC is around $2, up 16% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. With fresh capital in hand, Polygon plans to allocate $100 million to its ecosystem fund, and about $10 million each to its various scaling products, including Hermes, Miden, Zero, and Nightfall, per year, said Nailwal. That'd provide us 3 to 5 years of runway, he added. Polygon recently committed to investing $1 billion in ZK-related scaling efforts and, since then, has announced 2 acquisitions worth $650 million, Mir and Hermes. Nailwal said the fresh capital will allow Polygon to consolidate its Ethereum scaling efforts and onboard the next billion users to Ethereum. Since its founding in 2017, Polygon has massively grown its ecosystem. Over 7,000 decentralized applications are currently building on Polygon, the project said. Some of its major partners include Aave, OpenSea, Mark Cuban's Lazy.com, and Dolce & Gabbana for its NFT efforts. Hours. Granted, the figure isn't huge enough to be a big deal, it was the slow recovery that was concerning. Despite observing a rally in the latter half of March, it took the network over 2 weeks to recover the lost investors. Indian Maharashtra state pivots to Polygon for digital caste certificates. The government of Maharashtra, one of the most industrialized states in India, has issued 65,000 digital caste certificates based on the Polygon blockchain technology. I am excited to announce that the government of Maharashtra, Gadchiroli district, has set a new global precedent for Web3 adoption for on-chain e-governance, wrote Shubham Gupta, an assistant collector and project officer in the government of Maharashtra, in a LinkedIn post, adding, "For the first time in India, Gadchiroli district, at Apali subdivision, will issue caste certificates to its citizens that are anchored on an open permissionless blockchain verifiable within a matter of a few seconds. MATIC's revisit of $2 will follow these developments." MATIC's price. Today we will discuss the Polygon price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. MATIC price prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for MATIC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $1.80 and a minimum bid of $1.75. The maximum bid is expected to be around $2.09. MATIC price forecast 2023. For a long-term forecast of the Polygon price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MATIC will rise to around $2.64 by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.98 with a minimum price $2.55 level. Polygon price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Polygon could cross $4.41 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $3.72. MATIC price prediction 2025. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Polygon will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2025, MATIC is expected to peak at $6.17. The minimum bet could go up to $5.10 if the market turns bullish. MATIC rate prediction 2026. MATIC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polygon rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Polygon rate will be almost $7.28. The maximum bet we can get is $8.97. Polygon average price forecast for the end of 2026 could be around $7.49. A huge price turnover is expected in